Good morning, my viewers. My name will remain Oginni Ayoola. Yeah, one funny scenario happened to me about a year ago in one of our sites where a maintenance turned to a fault to our hand because of just one thing. That is not a story for today, but a maintenance can turn to a fault if you are not very, very careful. So now today's topic is going to be based on maintenance. Then maybe later in the lecture, I can add into what is a fault and how to identify a fault. But today, what is maintenance? I said maintenance just refers to the process of keeping equipment, structure, or system into a good conditions, shall we say, or a desired state. Every equipment I'm supposed to work on it at a very desired state. But now to maintain it means you are bringing it back to that state of where you're going to work in a very good conditions. So all these things require a regular check, repairs, or replacement of maybe a faulty part to extend the lifespans of our equipment. So and we have maybe 4 to 5 types of maintenance. You can add your own in my comment sections. So we have preventive maintenance, we have predictive maintenance, we have corrective maintenance, we have condition-based maintenance, and the other one you can have, there was a place I saw, they say reactive maintenance. So there's so many maintenance. It depends on which one your company want to call it. But the major of that is the one I've just mentioned. So what is preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance is just the kind of maintenance you design a date for your equipment, maybe after it has run for 100 hours, like some of our 1,000 hours. So for we are in the engineering sector, you have a transformer, you can say make you every month with your substations, every month do this to that one, or maybe every 3 months. So that is preventive maintenance. Every 3 months, clean your bushing, do this, do that one. So meaning what? You are extending the lifespan of that thing by actually putting a date. Some can be quarterly, some can be biannual, while the second one is predictive maintenance. This kind of behavior is that there's a machine that you connect to your system, or maybe there is a module on your system that check the condition of your equipment, and based on this one, it generates a data for you that tells you, oh, this machine needs maintenance based on some things. So then it can actually predict this machine is having high voltage, this machine is doing overheating. So it predicts your data, so you need to shut it down. That one is meant for what? Preventive, because preventive can require. But this one, it's a data generated from your machine that will tell you when to what? Maintain it. The third one is what? Corrective maintenance. This one is what we carry out when there's actually a fault on your system or major breakdown on your system. So you use it to correct every correctable on your system appliances or your equipment. Why? The fourth one is what I call condition-based maintenance. There are some of our equipment that are old. They will condition you to maintain them. In those days, I used to have some transformer that they just rupture and fuse anyhow. So those one are the condition will make you to want to check what is the problem. Maybe there is oil leakage, or maybe a low oil level. Your GRV will continue to cut. So what you need to do in that aspect is you continue to monitor it based on its condition. There are some transformer that is overloaded that maybe we are maintaining it, doing maybe load shedding. So some condition will tell you go into load shedding. So those are the 4 I actually write down. I said 1, preventive, 2, predictive, 3, corrective, 4, condition-based maintenance. What are the importance of maintenance? I said, what it extend your asset life. 2, it minimize downtime. 3, it reduce cost. Because once you maintain, the money of maintenance is always very cheaper than the money for repairs because you have to buy parts. I said, it improve safety. Because once it happens, it can actually kill somebody. It enhances efficiency and performance of your equipment because it will work as if though it's like a new one. It ensures compliances because now you can add, okay, compliance every 4 months, we need to do this thing. So if you don't do it, you are not complying. Why the last one, as I said, it boosts customer satisfaction. Because when you install a transformer for somebody, after 3 months, the customer will lose maybe interest in your business or your company, and they will come back to you. So I feel you've been able to learn something today about maintenance. And maybe in another class, I'll talk to us about how a maintenance can turn to a fault. The transformer show me shaggy. I will see you in the other class. Don't just meet in my comment section. Bye for now. My name remains Oginni Ayoola, your Online Power Academy Facilitator. Bye.